What is going on, guys? It is the Coaster Crusader here. Welcome back to another Cyborg Cyber Spin update. In case you can't tell, we are at Six Flags Great Adventure today. I almost skipped school to come ride it. In fact, in case you haven't told Matt already, yes, I haven't really practiced before I started recording. Cyborg's open today. In fact, it just had its grand opening, so we are now on our way to go ride Cyborg and culminate the Cyborg Cyber Spin updates. So basically this update series was kind of like a quick decision I made when I was right by the ride, because I figured I could use something new to give you guys some videos, because truth be told, I pretty much uploaded all my videos from Texas, and I need more time to upload the No Limits videos because I'm actually putting a lot more heavier editing into them. And I figured that the Cyborg updates would be pretty good. Oh, pardon the voice crack. So we're going to Cyborg today. Very excited to ride. I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we're on our way to Cyborg now. I got someone that's going to be meeting up with me over there. In fact, you could see it running through the trees. I'm going to be meeting up with someone for a bit, but basically what happened today actually was supposed to happen yesterday. I was going to make a vlog yesterday here, but unfortunately when I walked over to Cyborg, it just finished cycling, and it turns out they weren't open, so they were getting ready for media day, which is now culminated. So we're now on our way to Cyborg, and I can't wait to ride. I'll give you guys some footage up closer.
Welcome, guys. How was your ride?
Alright guys, it is time to ride the Cyborg Cyber Spin. So right in front of me we have New Jersey coasters, and to the right of me we have Cyborg. I hope I got my sense of direction right, because sometimes I mess up my sense of direction. The queue, it pretty much just surrounds the entire ride. Like, you're just going around the entire back half of the ride. And you also have these signs right here, which is pretty much just dictating what Cyborg is. Most of the DC rides that are coming to Six Flags has these, I believe. I know Wonder Woman in Fiesta Texas has these. It's pretty much telling you a little autobiography of what the ride is. Hi, Jason. Hi. He'll be tagging along with me for us. There's actually some really nice decorating that they got along with the fences. These lights right here really impressed me. I like how they work a lot. So we got another billboard right here, and then we're making our way to the final billboard, which is right over there. But this queue is actually going to be really huge. You got roughly four rows of switchbacks, And the posts also have Cyborg logos on them. And then the final poster is pretty much just depicting his role in the Justice League and what he is. And then finally, this is where the road stops. And we will be grouped over to the gate over there. I love it. And 3, 2, 1, pop. And they're gonna start spinning in 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on. There we go. That little pop. Oh my god. Yo, look behind you. Yeah, I've been on it the whole time. Jump. Yeah, they were testing it. We'll see when we get off. Make some footage of something. Literally his cyborg, he made like 5 cyborg updates. On my crap in my locker, so when we get off, you can put whatever the I don't know. Okay. Ready, Mike? It was broken down when I walked over here. Never tested. This would be a cool ride to ride tonight. Alright guys, we're next in line for Cyborg Cyber Spin.
Oh, this is first time.
Wait, did you just say we're queuing for the front?
Yeah.
Everywhere you go, there is the front row. Actually, no, you're facing the back half, so you're probably right. The front row's probably facing towards the thing. And the guy's coming to unlock us right now. So I'll see you guys when we get off because my phone can't come with me.
Come on! Wait! Wait, Mike, sit in the front. Can you stay right there? We'll be off in a minute. I can see myself in your locker. Okay, thank you. Mike, over here. You sit right here. Thank you.
Gates are locked.
Mike, you get the edge. Okay.
Alright guys, so I just got off the Cyborg Cyber Spin. That ride was actually a lot of fun. There was actually a time of the ride where I lost my senses and I started screaming like crazy. It's in Officer O'Leary's vlog.
I should have put my drink up in the locker.
Maybe he'll be kind enough to give me that video of me riding it.
Sure.
Because it's like one of those things in movies where it's like one-time takes. That was a one-time take.
Yeah, no.
This vlog's not a one-time take.
I don't think I actually got you guys in it at all.
What?
I like totally missed it.
No!
Oh my gosh. Well,
Yeah.
Why?
I was focusing on your legs for some reason. I didn't get the whole shot.
Legs?
Mike, how was the ride?
That was actually a lot of
I'm
fun. I
just kidding.
really like it.
It was the most intense I've had on it yet, actually.
That wasn't intense, but like
It was the most intense I've ridden.
if I'm losing my senses on that ride, if I'm gonna keep losing my senses on that ride, if that does it like more than once, this is actually gonna be a really fun ride. But the main question is that is this the best flat at Great Adventure, or does this help the flat ride situation at Great Adventure? Yes, it helps the flat ride situation at Great Adventure, but I actually do think it is the best flat ride. I'm not a huge fan of El Diablo. Skyscreamer's fun, but this,
No, it's open again. I
this
rode it
right
today.
here is a
I'm right
good
there.
ride. So anyway, I'm going to ride again, so see you guys later.
All that means you guys are out of here on Cyborg Cyber Spin. Enjoy your ride. And don't forget, guys, the louder you scream, the faster you go.
You hear how many clicks
So we're on our way for the 4th round on Cyborg Cyber Spin. So one thing, in case you haven't heard on the loudspeaker already, I was going to make a clip about this, but the ride will have a no loose article policy, similar to that found on King Ka, El Toro, and the Joker. But once again, it's probably for a good reason. The ride does spin quite a lot, and it is pretty forceful, and I think that those restraints, they are kind of beefy, so can't really fit much stuff in there anyway. For now, they're making everyone leave it on the ground in front of the ride, but eventually they will force you to put it in the locker. It's actually spinning quite a lot for a second. Alright guys, we just got off our 4th ride on Cyborg. Officer O'Leary's over here waiting for us. So I think that's going to be it for my Cyborg construction updates and this overall update. The ride was actually really good. That was probably the best ride I had on it.
You guys went upside down 10 times.
I know,
Yeah,
like
that was crazy.
I lost senses, like I lost my senses twice on
You
it.
got some throw up on your arm.
What? Wait, you mean this?
Nah, he's joking.
That's paint from school. God damn it. God damn it, O'Leary.
Damn it, O'Leary.
So anyway, that's going to
the
conclude this update for Cyborg Cyber Spin and the Cyborg Cyber Spin construction update series. Once again, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Look forward to more videos coming soon. And as always, I'll see you guys later.
Later.